Hey Paulites, this is Manoj Michael here, President of the Alumni, inviting you after a couple of years. I think the last was 2016, 17, and after that COVID, we didn't meet much, but now this is a different invitation. This is an invitation from school. The school has planned an evening for us, the alumni, to be around in school on the 3rd of December, 3 p.m. onwards, with family and friends and your kids along, where we can show our family what we are all about, the passion, the polite, the polite thing that we always have, the fire in our belly, and I think we should come in good numbers to attend this event. This is an invitation from school, so it's different this time. The last time we invited all of you, we are very grateful that we all just met and actually broke a Guinness World Record. So I think we should, it's pretty long time since then. It's 2016 we did that, and this is 2022. I think we should gather in large numbers, have a fun-filled evening in school, and meet our old teachers. There'll be a lot of old teachers who are coming in, meet our friends. I think it's a right opportunity, a right time to meet up and have a grand evening. We could have an assembly, we could have a classroom session, we could have a grand gala evening with dinner. So I think I request all of you all to participate for this event on the 3rd of December, and request your numbers from your batches and from all your fellow alumni to come and have a great evening. Thank you.